we're here in the St. Anne's Psychiatric Hospital, as we colloquially,
Weenie Madhouse.
as we know it, as my son say, Weenie Madhouse. There is a community cricket tournament in the St. Anne's and Cascade area, and we're here in the field, and we're going to have some fun playing some cricket. It's a nice community event. I'm looking for my sister, who is part of the organizers, to explain a little more. Where is she? Look at the birds, look at the birds. Parakeets. So you actually see here from home, from up by my grandparents. It's up in the corner there. Lena. She will be playing today, so she has a big cheering squad.
Yeah, we win already.
We win, right? Selena, I hope you can live up to that. So here is my sister. She will give a little more explanation on the event. What the event is about here?
Well, actually it's about getting the St. Anne's Cascade Hurlo community together.
Yes.
We have average about 9 teams, 2 teams from Cascade, we have 1 team from Hurlo, and we have about 5 or 6 teams from the St. Anne's area. Each team they have different names, but we know which part of St. Anne's Cascade or Hurlo they represented, and it's just something we're doing to get the community together to have some fun, get to know each other.
Oh, that sounds excellent. Anything to help the community together is always a good thing. So we're excited for a good time of good cricket. Are we?
Yeah!
Yes, we are. This session here before the real match starts. Alright, this is the official toss to Kubatin. Winning and bat. So let's go chase. Alright, so the match hasn't started yet. This is like a little warm-up for our guys. Last minute prayers before the match. We have the family side ready to come out. So the match is about to start.
Oh, and a very good delivery. And family is off the mark. One time, first ball.
So the match has started. A few balls already bowled. Pretty excited so far. Continues. It's around 14 or 18. I have to check for 2. It's a 12 over inning match. That's the end of the inning. The strikers are going to go into bat. Alright, so the team strategizing. Let me go and check the other team. We're halfway there.
Oh, the drop shot.
Second inning start.
Unlucky.
With strikers batting.
What a good start there.
it. I hope you guys can hear me over the announcer.
And hit and run, Blanca.
Strikers won with
That's right,
overs, with 2 overs to spare,
And this hit and
3
run
wickets to
clean,
spare.
Blanca.
It was a nice fun time. These are fun games. So Michelle, congratulations to you. You had to come and just hold me people that locked on. So that field you're seeing down there, that's the field we were on playing the cricket. We could see it from up here. So it was just a fun family day of community cricket, you know, to encourage the community to work together. Let's encourage that community spirit. That is what this tournament is about. So I hope you guys enjoy like the highlights of the match. We had a nice day playing cricket. Remember, if you like the video, to like, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.